Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best high-end range hoods of 2026. The ultimate lineup for modern kitchens where luxury meets performance. Whether you're preparing gourmet meals or simply want a stylish centerpiece for your cooking space, these range hoods combine powerful suction, elegant design, and advanced technology. Today's models feature stainless steel finishes, touch controls, LED lighting, and whisper-quiet motors, giving you the confidence to cook in comfort while keeping your kitchen fresh. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect high-end range hood for your home. Check the description for the latest deals, and let's dive into the best luxury kitchen ventilation systems of 2026. Kicking things off with the Vicchio Home High-End Range Hood. The Vicchio Home High-End Range Hood is the premium powerhouse built for modern kitchens. With its high suction capacity, it quickly removes smoke, grease, and odors, keeping the air fresh. I love how its stainless steel finish adds elegance, while the LED lighting brightens the cooking area. Its multiple fan speeds allow customization, while the quiet motor ensures a peaceful kitchen environment. The touch control panel adds convenience, and the durable build guarantees long-term reliability. What makes Vicchio Home attractive is its professional-grade quality. It's trusted by homeowners who want dependable performance. For anyone who values strength and style, the Vicchio Home High-End Range Hood is a smart pick. Coming in next is the IKTCH 30-inch High-End Range Hood. The IKTCH 30-inch High-End Range Hood is the multitasking marvel designed for versatility. With its powerful motor, it delivers strong suction to handle heavy cooking sessions. I appreciate its sleek design, which enhances any kitchen interior. Its LED lighting adds brightness, while the multiple fan speeds provide flexibility. The durable stainless steel construction ensures reliability, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes IKTCH stand out is its adaptability. It's perfect for families who cook frequently and need consistent ventilation. For anyone who values versatility and convenience, the IKTCH 30-inch High-End Range Hood is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the Brano 36-inch High-End Range Hood. The Brano 36-inch High-End Range Hood is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With its stainless steel finish and slim profile, it adds elegance to any kitchen. I love how its powerful suction ensures clean air, even during heavy cooking. Its LED lighting brightens the workspace, while the touch control panel adds convenience. The quiet motor ensures a peaceful environment, and the durable build guarantees reliability. What makes Brano attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that range hoods can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a hood that looks as good as it performs, the Brano 36-inch High-End Range Hood is a delightful choice. Let's check out the Orakick High-End Range Hood. The Orakick High-End Range Hood is the budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. With its efficient motor, it delivers reliable suction for everyday cooking. I appreciate its compact design, which makes it suitable for smaller kitchens. Its LED lighting adds brightness, while the multiple fan speeds provide flexibility. The affordable price makes it accessible, and the durable build ensures reliability. What makes Orakick attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for routine tasks, yet compact enough for tight spaces. For anyone who wants a dependable range hood without overspending, the Orakick High-End Range Hood is a great choice. Wrapping things up with the Ferrega's High-End Range Hood. The Ferrega's High-End Range Hood is the innovative option that blends modern technology with stylish design. With its powerful suction, it ensures clean air during cooking. I love how its smart touch controls make operation simple, while the LED lighting adds elegance. Its quiet motor ensures a peaceful environment, while the durable stainless steel construction guarantees reliability. The sleek design enhances any kitchen, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Ferrega's attractive is its innovation. It's perfect for homeowners who want advanced features in a stylish package. For anyone who values technology and design, the Ferrega's High-End Range Hood is a must-have. All of these high-end range hoods bring something valuable to the table depending on your kitchen size and cooking style. The Vicchio Home Range Hood is perfect for professional-grade performance with strong suction. The IKTCH 30-inch range hood offers versatility with multiple fan speeds. The Brano 36-inch range hood delivers stylish design with dependable results. The Orakick range hood emphasizes affordability with practical performance. And the Ferrega's range hood stands out as the innovative option with smart controls. When choosing a high-end range hood, it's important to consider suction power, noise level, design, and extra features. High suction ensures clean air, while quiet motors maintain a peaceful environment. Stainless steel finishes add durability, while LED lighting enhances visibility. Touch controls provide convenience, and multiple fan speeds add flexibility. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for serious cooks. That wraps up my top 5 best high-end range hoods of 2026. Whether you're a homeowner, a chef, or a DIY kitchen renovator, there's a perfect range hood here for you. These devices represent the best balance of power, style, and value, helping you keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen ventilation, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the hood that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. With the right range hood, you'll enjoy cleaner air, brighter cooking spaces, and the satisfaction of a modern kitchen. Power up your cooking, simplify your routine, and enjoy the confidence of working smarter every day.